Introducing the O-Cedar Easywring Spin Mop and Bucket System, an advanced technology cleaning system that lets you deep clean and scrub without soaking your hands. The Easywring system includes a 100% microfiber mop head to clean tough dirt and grime. In addition, it comes with a 3-piece telescopic handle that adjusts in length from 24 inches to 51 inches for a comfortable cleaning. Last but not least, the exclusive design of the Easywring bucket allows for hands-free wringing. When filling the bucket, only fill to the max line. With Easywring, wringing your mop has never been so easy. Simply press on the foot pedal to control the amount of water that is released. For best moisture control, press repeatedly. The Easywring Spin Mop and Bucket System is a cleaning tool that allows you to clean your floors easily, no matter what type of hard floor surface you have. The mop head is both economic and eco-friendly. It is machine washable and can be reused multiple times. Once Easywring has achieved your desired clean, simply insert the mop head in the washing machine. Thanks to the O-Cedar Easywring Spin Mop and Bucket System, making your floor shine has never been so easy.